Great.
Court's indulgence in a writ petition which is filed seeking protection of two young couple, a runaway couple. One is from UP, the other one is from Bihar. Girl is 19 years old, boy is 22 years old. They came to Supreme Court and I found them in the parking when I was parking my car. Now the trouble is, Lordship, the parents of the girl, they are trying to hang them to the trees. And they have come here finding no other way out. I took them. I am conscious of the court's vision that why did you not go to the police station? I took them along with two lawyers, me, Atul Kumar Yadav, and Tripurari Chopra. We three went to the police station, Tilak Mark, which is close to us. It surprisingly, I don't want to say it will be very cheap and very flippant to the system. The police tried to detain us. And they detained the girl and the boy who had gone for the protection. I told the police, you please detain me. Let whatever happens, happen. My duties are over as far as my family is concerned. But I shall not leave the young girl of 19 in the police station. That was the situation. Then the statement of the girl was recorded and she made a statement that she wants to stay with me, Harvinder Chaudhary, the advocate. I kept them with me for one day. And then we mentioned the matter. We filed the matter on 18th March. Tried again with the police. Some protection should be given to them.
Madam,
Then, Lordship.
where have you filed?
Let me complete, Lordship. I filed it on 18th March. Then yesterday, I mentioned it since the Constitution bench was here. I mentioned it before His Lordship Justice Vikram Nath. The matter went on.
Tell us one thing. Why can't you file it just 500 meters away, 500 yards away in Delhi High Court?
Because, Lordship, the girl is from Bihar.
So what?
The two, three
If
states.
their liberty is threatened in Delhi,
It is threatened. They have to go back. They are here only by chance. They are here.
they are. We do not know by chance they are. They must have traveled, come here, maybe for seeking some legal.
No,
protection.
Lordship, sorry to say. उनको ये लगा क्योंकि वो रील्स देखते हैं उनको लगा सुप्रीम कोर्ट में शादियां हो जाती हैं और चीफ जस्टिस के घर जाया जाता है then I mean that strange attitude because of the social media and now Lordship since two states are involved and Article 32 when we invoke extraordinary jurisdiction.
Madam, we are only asking. 32 is already there.
Yes, sir.
No difficulty.
That itself is a fundamental right. Very sorry to interfere.
Why you are stepmotherly behaving this with poor 226?
No.
Which is just 500
That's
yards.
a larger jurisdiction than 32. I am conscious of it.
Please go to High Court.
Lordship, only if the court says fine. But the children should be given the protection.
We can understand.
Police constables be there.
We can understand in a matter of personal liberty. If Delhi High Court suppose says to you, no, you are a resident of Bihar, you are a resident of UP, therefore either go to Patna High Court or go to Allahabad High Court.
Yes, Lordship.
And
That
if
is
they decline you, then you have a concern to come to us. Our doors
right.
are open for you.
That's
We
right.
will definitely provide you.
That's right. I'm very, very
Please
grateful.
go to High Court.
I'm very grateful. But before the case is winded up, and I shall go. Definitely, I shall go. Justice Vikram Nath, I had placed two major issues before the court. That one, if it's since there's a global change. बच्चे इतने बदल गए हैं हम लोग उनको कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते हैं अगर ऐसी सिचुएशन में बच्चे भागते हैं घर से कोई होम हो जहां पे वो रह सके कोई ऐसा ये लार्जर इशू है व्हिच आई थिंक ओनली द सुप्रीम कोर्ट कैन डिसाइड
हो सकता है कुछ मेरे भाई और बहन जजों के लिए ये स्ट्रेंज हो इस तरह के केस लेकिन पंजाब हरियाणा में तो हम बहुत यूज्ड टू हैं जिस दिन से जज बना था ऐसे का कम से कम 1000 केस डील करके आ रहा हूँ
Sir, Lordship, I appeared before you as additional advocate general. Lordship, I appeared before you.
भागे हुए सारे चंडीगढ़ में मिलते
There was a drug case where the court had issued the directions. No, Lordship, this court must help the children.
Madam, you will be surprised to know in Punjab and Haryana High Court, now virtually there is a separate roster for these. Runaway couples.
Lordship, I've been appearing there. Lordship, I mean, some 20 years ago, I had filed the
कई बार
report to the High
बड़े
Court.
इंटरेस्टिंग केस निकलते हैं
Lordship,
कई
वहाँ
बार ऐसे भी निकलते हैं 3-3, 5-5 बच्चों का बाप है किसी और को लेके भाग रहा है फिर वो प्रोटेक्शन के लिए आते हैं फिर उनको भगाना
Lordship,
पड़ता है वहाँ से।
आप इतना कर दीजिए.
किससे आते हैं वहाँ
Let the two police constables be there with the children and some place for them to stay. Otherwise, they'll be killed.
Absolutely. Their life is the most precious right and they have right and they can knock door of any high court.
Lordship,
wherever they are.
आपने ड्रग एडिक्ट्स को ड्रग स्मगलर्स को प्रोटेक्शन दी चंडीगढ़ आई वाज अपीयरिंग एज एडिशनल एडवोकेट जनरल
Delhi High Court, we are 100% sure they will understand the value of this right. They always understand. best of the jurisprudence they have developed in past. So we have no reason to doubt the High Court will entertain your petition. It's a question of one's liberty. You can go to any High Court in the country. You are entitled to it. And if the High Court doesn't entertain for any reason, for some technical jurisdictional issue or anything, you please do come to us.
Lordship,
You are most welcome.
I'm very sorry. Lordship, there are two major questions also before this court. The major question is, can there be a mechanism? Because when Vishakha case was heard by this honorable court, there was no mechanism where the girls were harassed and all. Then those directions came. And on that directions, government took some 15 years to bring the act
When you
into
file
force.
the case-
Now, this is a matter where it has just come to my mind. Earlier, I had done the similar matter where Justice B.A. Khan had, for 15 days, we argued on the passion, on love, on how the kings had left the thrones, how to save the children. Those two children, I brought the clipping, which is with me. Those two children were saved, and ultimately both girl side and boy side, they hugged each other, and 2,50,000 was given to the girl. This was collected by the residents of Kirti Nagar. Now, Lordship, only request is
When your matter will come, we'll definitely lay down some guidelines.
that those guidelines, this is what was argued before Justice Vikramath. Otherwise, he said, you please mention it before His Lordship Justice, the Chief
His
Justice.
Lordship must
Because
be
he
right.
can take the right kind of decision. I am here to make some, Lordship, so many good judgments have been passed by you in Chandigarh High Court. I was there. Lordship, now the thing is, the only request as a mother, as a woman, as a citizen, as a lawyer, is some mechanism, some house to be made for these small children. They don't have adequate mental level.
You
Some
will-
training program for the parents.
We have already issued this kind of directions in the High Court. We have in fact provided them even the word used is not shelter home. The word we have used some appropriate place, and there is a obligation now on all the police stations in Punjab and Haryana and Chandigarh, of course, that how the protection is to be provided, how they are to be kept in the protection homes, and what kind of counseling is required, the involvement of counsel. There are some
very grateful as a
very unfortunate scenes have been happening in the High Court premises itself. Parents are there, parents are crying, parents are telling that the girl is not understanding, he is already married, he has left his wife, he is not legally divorced, she is still with him. This kind of, all kind of scenes have been created. And of course, we have to deal with the situation, the fact situation depending upon. When your petition will come, we'll lay down some guidelines about it.
Lordship, I've brought it to the kind notice which is of public importance before this honorable court. I'm very, very grateful, and many, many good judgments I've seen where the vision of the judges was such, Justice Ramaia's judgment, Justice Ahmadi's judgment, where they've seen beyond the case file, beyond the facts, and they've passed the judgments. Yashwanand Bhati is another historical judgment. Now, Lordship, I want protection at least for 2-3 days. 2-3 days. And the court should give me the permission to keep the children in my house. I shall give. I shall keep them if the parents are following them.
No, that may not be the solution of the problem. Today, that because of your compassion, because of your passion for the subject, that you have done it. But how many members of the bar will do? So there has to be some mechanism for it.
That's what I'm saying. I'm so grateful. I'm really genuflecting. It's a observation which should be,
You raised this issue before Delhi High Court.
yes.
And this issue also we will request you should point out before the High Court, because
Yes.
High Court being the local jurisdictional
Yes,
aspect,
Lordship.
we are quite sure that they will find out something.
Some solution. Lordship, kindly give the protection for 3 days. In 3 days, till Tuesday, the police constable from Tilak Marg police station should be sitting outside.
Fortunately, now in your safe custody,
Yes.
so she should not be worried about anything. And why don't you just go to the High Court? We are quite sure the High Court will entertain today itself.
Yes, Lordship. But it has to be typing work and other
You convey to the High
associated
Court-
active.
You convey to the High Court that there is High Court.
I'm very grateful.
Okay. Yes.
Grateful, Lordship.
Plus, may I mention the
will communicate to the Registrar Judicial. And
I'm very grateful. Lordship, only 2 days if the police constables are directed to be with the children, even going to my house. I'm a mother-in-law. I have got
just go and make this prayer before the High Court. We are confident that they will entertain.
Okay.
Because otherwise piecemeal, it doesn't look appropriate that part of the relief we entertain.
I'm very